PBR Panel and PBR Panel roofing sheet roll forming machine, designed for the U.S. metal building industry. R-panel and PBR panel roofing sheets are two of the most widely used metal profiles in American commercial and industrial construction. Although these two profiles look similar, the PBR panel includes a Purlin bearing leg, a 1/4 overlap area that adds extra strength and support. The machine is designed based on the PBR profile with 1092 mm coil width. When you want to produce R-panel, simply switch to 1066 mm coil width. The same machine automatically produces R-panel without mechanical adjustment. Why R-panel and PBR panel are popular in the U.S. market? High profile, strong wind resistance, fire resistant, energy efficient, low maintenance and long service life, ideal for commercial and industrial roofing and siding. PBR panel's Purlin bearing leg provides superior strength for open framing and heavy-duty applications. At Zhongtuo, we design our panel and PBR panel roll forming machines 100% according to the U.S. standard, ensuring profile accuracy, high speed production, and long-term stability. Contact us anytime. We provide customized design based on your coil width and market requirements.